What's going on, guys? Robles Jr. here. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the new QI wireless fast charger charging stand for Samsung Galaxy and for LG G6 smartphones. Included in the package is the manual, very simple instructions and what not to do with the device. Also included is a 3-foot micro USB charging cable. Here is the nice sleek charging stand. To have your charging stand all ready to go, just plug in your USB cable on the back of the device. I'm gonna run a quick test here with my phone, see if it actually works, and it looks like it does. This is a very simple charging stand to use. You don't need any cables whatsoever to connect to your smartphone. All you have to do is just place your phone on the stand, and that's it. A very nice and clean, simple design. Very nice high gloss finish. It has two non-slip silicone to protect your phone from dropping. A blue LED light will turn on once you have your smartphone correctly positioned on the charging stand. I am already loving this charger. I can charge my phone with my rugged, thick case, no problem. You cannot charge your smartphone if you have the screen facing the stand. You have to have the backside vertical facing the stand. This is a great charging stand that's ultra thin and lightweight, and it only costed me $12 with free shipping on eBay. You can check out the link in the description below.